guys, welcome back. Last time I made my soccer video with my friends. Now I'm in my house. I'm gonna review my Lego toys. I have the fisherman, I have the speedboat Lego. It's orange and this one is black. Okay, first we're gonna do with the Lego orange one. We're gonna put this aside first. Okay. First we have this. We get one life vest, one trailer, and one long speedboat around 39 centimeter. We have one jet. We're gonna review about the jet. We got 1% life vest. So this is the jet. You can see it. It has 4 headlights, 2 in each side, and it have the turn signal. It have 1 in each side also. It has the mirror. The cool part is you can put it down or you can put it up. It's up to you. You can set it. And in the roof you have an extreme sticker, same like in both sides. And you have the engine part. You can open it, but open it gently. It's empty. It has like a slope in it. You can close it. It's easy to open and close. And when you open this, you can see the driving spot there. Nice. It has a blue steering wheel inside. And next, we are going to talk about the people. You get one blue helmet and you can put it up the glass and put it down. He has a smiley face and 2 brown eyelashes. Okay, and after that we have this speedboat. It has 2 engines, 2 propellers, and the cool part about the propellers, you can put it up and you can put it down. And after that, you have the trailer. It has a hook and you can attach it here. Okay, we're done with that. Now we're going to talk about the fishing part. I'm gonna put that aside. Okay, it has 2 motor. You can put it up and you can put it down. And you get 1 shark, and you get 1 chain to put the fishes in it, like this and like this. You get 2 orange fish, 2 people with life vests included, 1 shark. You get a seat there, and you can attach the fishing rod to the chair, and you get 1 silver one. And you can see here at the driving place, you get a monitor where there's fishes. And here at the front you get 2 headlights, 1 booty, and 2 lights. And you get a floating thing. When you park it, you put it at the front, and this is the roof. You can see there's a light also, and this thing can spin. And it has a sign here called Manny. And bye guys, this is all I have today. And I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.